Welcome to High Format. This is our Pro Series video on Arcadia. Arcadia is a large format thermal finish slab with modern styling and salt-proof surface. The shape allows for a multitude of pattern layouts and designs. These massive slabs are created using our proprietary concrete material called TextureMat. Based on ultra-high performance concrete technology, TextureMat is revolutionizing the landscape industry through its ability to create thin, expansive slabs that drastically increase installation efficiency. Each pallet of Arcadia covers 81.8 square feet and contains 28 pieces. Total pallet weight is 1,325 pounds. Each unit is 36-inch length by 15.5-inch width by 1.25-inch height, and weighs 44 pounds and covers 2.92 square feet. There are several helpful tools to bring during installation, including a landscape rake, shovels, levels, compaction device, diamond blade concrete saw, fabric, screed rails and bars, and a leveling device. For this product, we recommend using a minimum 4 inches of dense grade angular aggregate base, compacting in lifts. Next, screed out a 1-inch layer of bedding sand, and you're ready to start setting the slabs. Of course, the conditions of each site are different and may require unique engineering. Always defer to the design engineer when applicable. Arcadia is lightweight and easy to install by hand. However, there are also several vacuum tools on the market that can make lifting and moving the large slabs even easier. When setting the slabs by hand, using gloves is highly recommended, as the underside of the slabs can have hard, sharp edges. The bottom of each slab has lugs that aid in proper alignment of the slabs, and also create a consistent 1/4 inch joint. For the most natural color blending, install slabs from multiple pallets simultaneously when possible. With Arcadia, there are endless pattern options, especially when incorporating more than one color. Additional pattern layouts can be found in the High Format Technical Guide or at highformat.com, but you can also use your imagination to come up with many additional designs. If you need to trim Arcadia slabs, it's recommended to score the entire length of your cut first before plunging through the slab. This helps to prevent fracturing outside of the score line. You can finish the patio by installing your preferred jointing material. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's directions when using third-party joint materials. Third-party materials are not covered under warranty by High Format. Please note that Arcadia is not recommended in vehicular applications. Thank you for looking at Arcadia. If you have further questions, please visit our website at highformat.com or contact your local sales representative.